Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. Today I have a video that I've been wanting to make for some time. Today we're going to be cleaning my LifeSmart LS450DX hot tub. This is a plug and play hot tub, and it's had the same water since, I don't know, November, December of 2025. I made it the whole winter. I did a little bit of a top off in the middle of winter. We caught some warm weather. I topped it off with some fresh water. Not much, just to cover the evaporation. As you can see, the hot tub is dirty. The hot tub has lots of stuff on the bottoms, lots of sediment, scale, dirt, whatever comes in on your feet. And not only that, but my cat. My cat likes to hang out here. And, he's awesome. I like him. He's a good guy. But you know what? We'll see how that comes off. The first product that we are going to be testing out is the Spa Guard System Flush. It's said that you should use it before you clean and drain your hot tub. Well, that's what we're about to do. Real quick, let me show you the other products that I have as well. We have the Ouster's Hot Tub Surface Cleaner. I have the AquaDoc Professional Surface Cleaner. Next, I have the Hot Tub Surface Cleaner 3-in-1 solution. And the last product that I have is Awesome Spray Cleaner and Deodorizer. Well, the first product that we're going to use is the System Flush. We're going to get this into the water and get it start mixing and sloshing. Hopefully it will help clean the water and get it ready to get pumped down. Now, I always recommend that you read the directions carefully for any product that you may be using. So definitely take a look at the product and read the directions and make sure it's something that you want to use. For the System Flush, it does say to remove the filter. I got this filter threads in down here, and it's always hard to get out. Now for the System Flush, we're going to apply the entire bottle to the water and let it circulate. We're going to let that circulate for 15 minutes. During this time, it's always a good time to take a little scrub around, do a little light scrubbing. Try to see if you can knock back a little bit of that scum. Look at those bubbles. Wow-wee. While that System Flush is circulating, I am going to start cleaning the edges. Then I can wash any of the debris that I may get off here into the water and pump that down as well. Let's see how good it does. We'll give it some time to sit on there. Let's just see. I'm just applying a little bit of elbow grease. Get a little wet again, I like to dunk that thing in there a little bit. Wowee. That did do pretty good. It took a lot of it off. Now, I have the AquaDoc Surface Cleaner. Apply this product to the area to be cleaned, allowing a few minutes for penetration. Clean with a cloth, sponge, or rub the area while being cleaned, and rinse and repeat if necessary. Let's see what we can do. I'll make it a little wet because this is drying up quickly. Let's see here. Okay. A little bit of elbow grease. It's looking a little better, but I'm just not, I don't know, I'm not certain on that one. I know I'm a little bit out of order here, but we're going to do the Awesome Spray Cleaner and Deodorizer on this corner here. If you look close, there is some kitty cat prints. He goes all around this thing. So let's see what we got. It says after each use, spray this one. Spray the tidal zone 4 to 6 inches above the waterline, weekly basis, and it can help. Okay, so this product might be a little bit different. It might not actually be for cleaning. If you have left residual evidence of scum, just spray the cleaner on the surface, wait 10 seconds, and wipe and rinse the area. We'll give it a shot. Now we're on to the last corner, and I have my hot tub surface cleaner here. The directions say spray the hot tub surface cleaner directly onto the desired spot. For heavily soiled areas, allow the cleaner to sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Hit it with the dry cloth. Maybe I got a little bit on the cover. I'll wipe that down too. You know what? I don't mind that product. That product did all right. My book, not too bad. Well, we've been circulating that system flush, and it's time that we start pumping this, getting this water out of here. I'm gonna shut down the hot tub, and I got my 1 horsepower submersible pump. This is my Aqua Strong utility pump, and we're gonna be using it today to pump down the hot tub. As always, I put a little towel down here so that my hose won't mar up the sides of the hot tub. You don't want any of that. Now that pump, there is no float switch to activate it. Simply when the pump is plugged in, it's activated and it's pumping. Wowee. Would you look at that? That down there. I don't want it to erode all this dirt that I've been putting here. Reach that point where the pump the water all the way down, and I like to fill it up a few times and just keep rinsing it, because these seats, they hold debris, and you don't want debris to build up in those seats. So that's what I do. I'll probably take the sprays and just go around and try to give it a thorough cleaning. Probably the first thorough cleaning this hot tub's had since purchasing. I'm going to take some more of this Ouster hot tub cleaner, surface cleaner. I'm going to spray it around for a little bit. Let that soak in. Just a couple. Let that soak in a bit. And I'll hit it with the scrub brush and see what we can do. See if we can knock some of that back. And then rinse it really well. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to check out any of these products, I'll leave a link in the description below, so you can go take a look if you'd like. Otherwise, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below. I'll try to answer them when I can. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.